Welcome back, guys, to another tea tree video. In this episode we're going to make this a huge Buddha, make this racer longer, and have that shipping container over there, like up there. Yeah, give me a minute, let's get into it. Alright, so we're pushing this racer landing back up against here so you have more time to set up for the Buddha. Yeah. So the lip's going to be here. Jump to that then. Okay, so we've cleared an area for a racer and we've made very good progress on this landing. It's like very mellow. Okay, so we got good progress on the racer so far. We'll come back when this is finished. Okay, so this racer lip is done, well, for now. The lip, it's got so much dirt on it now. It's like going to be huge. It's gonna be like, oh my god, it's gonna be so good. Time lapse this landing now. Okay, this jump is finally finished. This landing looks so good. It's pretty boxed. Like, it just looks sick. It's pretty soft for when we hit it, but it should be good. And yeah, the racer. It's so windy, like. So yeah, it's pretty windy. Yeah, look at that. So yeah, Eli might hit it now, sooner. So yeah, if he does, I'll put a clip in now.